This is so much better than Build-A-Bear or the American Girl store. You guys.
Oh my God.
We're back.
This is crazy.
What's going on?
There is a God.
Thank God the show's back. I need some beauty treatment.
Yeah, and I need money to hang out with you guys.
All the things.
The show is back. Beauty Trippin is back. And what's better than having 2 people, 3 people?
Oh my God.
I don't think I've ever done
It's a
one with all
threesome.
3 of you guys.
This is a Beauty Trippin threesome to be remembered.
I know.
And Naz, I've never even been on this show
I
with
know.
you, so it's like our maiden voyage. Drew and I had a good. Well,
Yeah.
actually, we had literally shot the final CLevver episode ever the day that we did Dilly and Dilbert. Dilly for short, like Lily, but Dilly. What do you think?
Dilly's cute.
But Dilbert for long.
The clue is welcome. You've got nail.
Ooh,
So,
nail.
Like nail, like N-A-L-E? Is that a word?
Wait, do you know what my dream has always been?
What?
To name nail colors.
Is that a thing people
Name them?
do?
Like, don't you feel like the names of nail colors at the bottom are so
How I pick-
creative?
that's how I
Never
pick
even
what they
paid
are.
attention. I
Oh
just
my
like
God.
the orange, red.
No, Drew. This is gonna open your mind.
True, the
didn't
names are
realize.
so cool. They're always like things that you want to be. It's like first class citizen or something.
Maybe it's some sort of, I don't know, digital thing. Because
Or like-
You've Got Mail, that was that movie.
No,
like
I
100
feel like
years ago.
nails,
God,
beauty
yeah.
tripping.
Oh, right. Oh my gosh, this is so Hi!
Welcome.
Joslyn, hi!
Cutest place ever. Hi, I'm Naz.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Didn't Erin shot a video in here, right?
Oh my god!
I always
She
wanted to
did.
come here. I'm so excited.
Well, welcome to ORLY Color Labs.
Thank you!
Wait, like nails? Like no. You've got nail.
Nail. You get it!
We're gonna make custom nail polish with you girls.
That's a thing.
Did you get to name them?
Yes, you get to
You
name
guys,
them.
this is my dream!
What are you guys talking about?
I didn't even know this was a thing,
I
that
know.
you could dream. This is
no idea.
amazing.
This is the coolest thing ever.
Yes.
Can anyone like come in here and do it?
Yes, we just recently opened, and anyone can come in Tuesday through Saturday, 11 to 7, and make their own custom polish here.
Wow, so like, what do we do? Is there some sort of like back room where we're like gonna be like mixing and
Nope, not that difficult. Just come on over
great.
with me, and I'll show you how we do it.
Okay, so this is like a tech cool thing.
A tech cool thing, sure.
that-
We try to keep it very
make
simple
sense?
here.
I'm so intrigued.
Okay, so I'm just gonna show it to you.
I've never heard of this.
We're working with mood boards, so you can just click on night or bright, and you can look through inspo pictures. Let's say you like this color, you click on it. Usually you get a lighter, original, darker version. Click on that. You get to choose shimmers. We have a pearl shimmer or a metallic shimmer, or you can keep it clean and
Okay.
flat. After that, you name it. You have 35 characters.
Oh my God.
So there
That's
is
a lot of characters.
Yeah, there's
So
quite a lot of
exciting.
space.
I kind of feel like the spirit is leading me to do this blindfolded. Like just pick whatever my finger picks.
Just
You know what I mean? Like
You
the
trust
color,
your nose.
The color picks me. I don't
Right.
pick it.
Ooh,
Okay, so I'm gonna go first.
Okay.
I guess I must hit the start.
Start.
But I'm really gonna let my finger do it, so I need you guys to help me.
Okay.
Okay, but first let's. Oh wait, so there's only 2 options. Okay, so
Okay.
did I pick something?
Yes, and now you have to choose your color inspiration.
Okay, so I'm gonna scroll it
Oh,
down.
You can scroll and just.
Okay, so I'm just gonna scroll and then.
Good one.
Give me anxiety.
Wait, you have to click it again. It didn't.
Do you feel like it's? Do you feel like it's me?
Yeah, I feel like that's.
It is?
I've
Okay,
never
great.
seen you wear this color before.
Oh my gosh! Well, these troll hands will look better with literally anything. Okay.
Okay,
You
so
don't.
now you have 3 options. So now you have to pick from like the left, the
Focal
middle,
point
or
right
the
here.
right of the screen.
Am I on it?
Yeah, okay, you picked one.
Okay.
Now it's between like your hue, like pearl, metallic, or cream.
Okay.
Okay, are you feeling more like a lefty or a righty today? How are we feeling? Or
I feel
in
like
the middle?
I'm right down the middle.
Okay. Boop, boop. Your fingers don't work. Let me check your print.
Yeah, it worked,
Okay,
it worked.
okay.
Oh, now you have to name
No,
it.
so now
Yeah, I
you
have
can
to
look.
name it.
So you
Oh
do
my
have
God.
to look at it.
Oh my gosh, you guys, I already broke something in here, which we didn't get on camera. So what should I say? Like, mystery is the soul spice. Is that good?
Yeah,
Okay.
that feels
Okay,
yeah.
right. That feels right.
Mystery is. This is long.
You guys, is this all supposed to fit on the bottom of
Well,
a nail
I
polish?
hope it fits. I don't know how many
I don't know.
pills.
You didn't even know names were down there till
I
I
now.
legit did not know that nail polishes had names. I thought they were like 33.
Spicy. Oh, I wanted to use all the characters, so it's very spicy.
Oh, that's good.
You did it!
You guys, that's it. It's done.
This is
You're
so
so
cool.
fast.
Your turn.
My turn. Okay.
Naz, I
okay.
feel like you do like
we
the
go.
same types of colors. Like you do nudes or black or white.
Drew's right. Like I always keep it classic.
Are you
like,
gonna change it up this time? Like do something out of the box?
I need a color that will go with all my outfits, always. Like
So
it can't be
red?
something that'll clash. Yeah, but I do red a lot. I think I'm feeling like this gray brick wall.
I like that.
Okay.
I'm just like in a dark mood right now. I'm not a metallic girl. I'm a very like classic, you know? And I'm not gonna show you guys what I'm calling
Oh,
it.
okay,
Okay,
whoa.
I'm not
So the
gonna
surprise is on us.
I'm not gonna look. This is very exciting. I feel like we're naming babies.
I did it!
This is so fun, and this floor is so like,
It's like slippery.
yeah, it's like you could just.
So you can just dance your way up to the machine.
I want to know what you named your kid. First of all,
Are you brights? You're brights. Are you nights?
brights. Choose your color inspiration.
I can't wait to see what you pick.
Ooh, I'm kind of feeling a gold.
Oh my gosh.
Whoa.
That banana.
Wait, there's so many options.
Oh my God, look at that tire though.
Wait, I'm so inspired by like a lot of these. Okay, I'm inspired by this one.
Binder clips. Oh, that one's
Okay,
Priya.
okay. Lighten, original, or darker. Jeez.
cool. It's like Postmates, but like for your nails.
Okay, lighter. Photo you selected already contains a shimmer effect.
Is that okay?
That's
Do you like-
fine.
That's dope.
I like that.
Oh my gosh, Drew.
This is too much pressure. Is it a boy or is it a girl? It needs to be a boy because
Well,
it's
it
very
could be a
feminine
they.
color. You're right.
True.
You're right. I need to mix it up. It can't.
But
be.
it's a boy.
It's a boy. It's gonna be a boy.
Okay.
What about like a really great name? Like just like,
Stacy.
that is a boy name.
Oh, I love Stacy.
Stacy.
Yeah, I know a lot of guys named Stacy.
Really?
Yeah.
A lot?
Okay. Stacy it is.
Is it with an
actually.
I-E, one I, an E-Y, or just a Y?
Two
Throwing
E's.
it out
You're right.
there.
You're right. No Y. That's so basic. Okay.
It's not.
Stacy.
Oh, that's nice.
And his mom has got it going on.
Ah.
So let's go over to the mixology bar.
Ooh, are there drinks?
This is Alex.
Hi guys.
She's gonna mix your colors today.
I'm gonna mix your color today.
I'm excited.
We're going to see how it all goes down.
Wait, this is your job? Sorry.
This is my job.
That is the coolest.
I am the mixologist of your custom nail lacquer.
Okay, I have a question.
Yes.
You've had a lot of people come through here, but what is like the standout color and name that has been created thus far?
Standout color would probably be our guest who came in wanted me to match the color with her skin. Yeah. She's like, make my skin color in a nail color.
Okay, that's actually interesting because you know the color nude, like hello,
Yeah.
Is like not
literally
me.
does not match anyone.
I think we actually have it here.
Gosh, this is her skin.
What did she name it? Her
color.
skin?
Summer skin. Summer skin.
Oh, because she's like more tan.
Yeah, so that like pops like
Yeah.
pretty
I feel like
significantly.
if I wore this, I'd be carrying her with me.
Right? Like
yeah,
a
it's a little it's
a little creepy.
interesting. Yeah.
All right, so what are we doing with the
We
nail
are
colors? I'm
going
so
to make
excited.
Naz's color basic economy, which is
basic economy.
So it's
A wonderful
inspired by, I feel like nail polishes and the names of nail polishes are always what we aspire to be, you know, like first class or
Right.
layaway. But I wanted a nail color for the people, you know, like in basic
Yes.
economy.
Okay.
Something that would make you
Yes.
happy for sitting in the middle seat.
Revolutionary.
So it's inspired by the
wondering where
gray
you were
of the airplane trays.
wow.
Wow, you really thought about this.
All right, basic economy. So start with 3 drops of white.
Gray will go with every outfit.
It will. You're right.
Okay, so this was white and then black.
Black.
Duh, right? Okay, but what
One
is some...
pump of orange.
Whoa!
Yeah.
That's what you're
Very
like at your
interesting.
core. You're orange.
You're right.
know what
Orange,
this
you're
is?
glad there's a splash of...
And then you use like a foamer from Starbucks to mix it.
It looks like a frother, right?
really does.
It actually is a paint mixer.
How long do you do the blending?
Just
until,
just a
like-
few seconds. Yeah, until you see that all the colors properly mixed together.
I'm in color shock that orange helped make this color.
But then how does it get from there to there? Because that makes me nervous.
Yeah, we always put these
Balls.
2 metal balls in
Just
there.
two?
Just 2. And then I'm gonna take it.
Is it a glass bottle?
Yes.
Wow. You have a
And-
steady hand.
I can't believe I made this color. That's so cool.
You did.
Yeah,
it's gorgeous.
basic economy's never been better.
And then I'm gonna take this guy. Wonderful brush.
And this process was significantly faster.
Yeah,
than I
it's
thought it was
very, very quick. Look at this gorgeous.
It's actually a really pretty
And
color.
we are not done.
Not done.
Picture label on there.
Oh my gosh!
This is so cool, guys.
Wow.
This whole experience, you know what you should do? And you know how to Build-A-Bear, they have you like wish on the heart, right?
Yes.
You should have people wish on the balls.
All right, Drew, you're next.
Yes.
We're gonna
Ready.
make Stacy.
Is the base just like for the consistency? Mm-hmm. Okay.
So this one has 4 scoops of pink sugar.
4 scoops! Yay! 4 scoop kind of day. Scoop, scoop, scoopity.
Oh, I want to see the glitter.
That's so fun.
That's very pigmented.
Wow.
And then 1 dash of white.
Yeah, let's see how this is gonna look. I'm excited.
Okay.
Look at that glitter, Drew.
Oh yeah.
So
Oh my god.
pretty.
You guys can't tell me that's not a milkshake.
Let's false.
I made a wish.
Then we're gonna do the pour.
The pour is very.
It's soothing. It's like ASMR or something.
This is so like satisfying.
Stacy.
How cool is this?
Yeah,
Stacy.
I'm like Stacy.
And now moving on, we're gonna do Mystery is the Soul's Spice.
I don't know if you know this, but I don't know what color I made. I just let my hand do the choosing.
Okay.
I don't know what's going on.
She has no idea.
Let's go for it.
Josh, you know what this is like?
What is it?
It's like if you made a baby but you weren't sure who the dad was. So now
yeah,
like so delivery.
pretty much, yeah.
You're like, what's it gonna
Okay,
come out
whoa, we're over here in the blue
Yeah, we're in the
section.
blue section.
I really don't know who the dad is right
don't
now.
know, we have no
And
idea.
now purple?
Look at it.
Wow, I've had an exciting life.
Blue Pearl.
Wait, that's pretty. Wow, wait. Look at the potion, you guys.
Wait, this is so pretty.
Wait, you guys get up in that.
gosh.
That's the. Oh my god, Joss, wait a minute. This is so pretty.
Honestly, I feel like this is who my finger is choosing me to be because I would have never chosen
This
it.
is like
Yeah,
what
this
my
is-
soul spice is. I feel
It's
like I
cool.
want it to be.
Oh, there's some dust coming out.
Whole potion.
Some glitter dust.
You're-
What? I just caught a glimpse.
Yep.
This is actually pretty.
It's really pretty.
You're like, this is actually pretty. I mean, honestly, some of the stuff I've tried to create has not gone well. The jean jacket episode.
Look at that.
Oh my gosh!
It is
That's
gorgeously
beautiful.
shiny.
Pretty.
Mystery is the Soul's Spice.
Oh my gosh, it turned out so good!
There you go. And here are your pins, guys.
Pins? Oh my gosh.
You are Orly sorority.
Better.
We're initiated now. This is so
Yes, you
Graduated.
Thank you so much.
Of course, you guys.
Awesome.
It's a pleasure making your color.
meeting you.
You guys, let's go open a shop.
Yeah.
Let's go get a nail salon. What do you say?
I'm down.
Wow, you guys! That was awesome!
That was a dream come true. Like, I didn't even know that you could do that kind of thing. And now that I know that you can do it, I'm going to be highly addicted, I feel like.
And I'm really glad that we're sharing this with the world because the thing is, you know, they always say, how can someone know they can dream for something if they don't know it exists?
You know?
Custom nail polish is a thing that's also $20. It costs $20.
That's
insane.
I'm bringing my mom. She'll love this.
That's such a good Mother's Day.
Yeah.
No, literally, and they actually have some really cool stuff going on for Mother's Day, but if you guys are ever in LA and want to stop by, I highly, highly recommend it. You guys subscribe. Thanks for being with us on this very weird journey called life. Thanks for watching. We'll see you later.
Bye.
Guess what? The next Clever Style video is right over here.
Somewhere. You should click it and watch it because it's gonna be great. And then
gonna be great.
You should subscribe. That button's somewhere. Here.
Have you clicked yet?
It's here, so you should click it. There's not that many buttons.